In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF on Shopify. Whether you're adding a downloadable file for your customers or simply sharing an important document, uploading a PDF to your Shopify store is a straightforward process. Let's get started by setting the stage for why you might want to use PDF files. PDFs are incredibly versatile for sharing information in a concise and professional format. They can be used to provide product manuals, share promotional materials, or even offer educational content. Understanding the value PDFs can bring to your store helps set the goal for this tutorial. First, you'll want to be logged into your Shopify admin account. Once you're there, head over to the Settings section at the bottom of the menu on the left. Within Settings, find and click on Files. This is where you can manage all your uploaded files within Shopify. Visualizing this as a central library for your media is helpful. Click on the Upload Files button, a straightforward option right at the top of the page. A dialog box will appear allowing you to select files from your device. Navigate to where your PDF file is stored, select it, and add it to your Shopify files. Take a moment here, make sure the file is correctly named and easily identifiable, especially if you foresee having multiple PDFs in the future. Once the file has uploaded, it will be available in your list of files within Shopify. Take note of the file URL displayed there. This is pivotal. With the link copied, you can now incorporate this PDF into various parts of your Shopify store. A common place to link a PDF is within a product description or a dedicated page on your online store. For our example, let's add it to a product description. Navigate to Products from the left-hand menu, then select the product you wish to edit. Scroll to the description section, and plan where the link to your PDF will logically fit in relation to your text. Highlight the appropriate text, click the Insert Link button from the toolbar, and paste your URL in the link field. Confirm the action by clicking Apply or Insert, depending on your version of Shopify. Remember to save your changes before navigating away, securing all your hard work. Lastly, take a moment to preview the product or page where you linked your PDF. Test the link to ensure it works correctly, opening and displaying as expected without issues. It's a great habit to regularly check all PDF links periodically, especially if the content is subject to change. This process ensures your customers have a seamless experience and can access the resources you provide. With these steps, you should now have a PDF efficiently uploaded to your Shopify site, enhancing customer experience and providing valuable resources or information. We hope this guide was helpful. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful Shopify tips.